Hello my beautiful family, I hope my beautiful family is fit, fine and healthy. So today's video a review video. Today we will review some few fragrance brand which I'm using since from last 2 months. So today I'm give you my honest review about this fragrance. I like, I don't like. So let's check out. So today I'm going to share with you a fragrance brand which is Dossier. It's a French-based designer company which recreate designer luxury perfume in an affordable way. It recreate designer luxury perfume and give you a same feeling, same fragrance, everything. But what is the difference? It costs you only $29. Their fragrance starts at $29 and higher up to $49 or $59, which is highly affordable. If you want to plan to buy a luxury brand, like a brand would cost you around $300 and so on, but they give you same feeling, same scent, same everything at in an affordable way. So I reviewed their 8-10 fragrances and I gift my family and friends, and they really loved with this fragrance. They really loved it. So today I am going to share with you another few fragrances of this brand Dossier. So let's check out. So first I am going to share with you another fragrance which is Amber Saffron, which is highly popular. It's the best seller of this brand Dossier because it costs you $59 and their market price, which is inspired by is Manson franchise condition, is $300, and even you don't need to spend 1/4 or 1/5 of this, you know. So let's check out. It comes with a beautiful box, pink color box like this. If you buy their fragrance, each and every fragrance comes with this beautiful pink color box, which is highly good. I like this packaging, and if you want to gift your families, friends, your loved ones, you can gift it. So first of all, the main thing I like is packaging, and when you open you will get a note like this. It's a Amber Saffron. Everything is written on it, like its composition, its top notes is saffron, orange blossom, middle notes is jasmine, plum and cedarwood, and the base note is oak moss, fir blossom and the amber, and its concentration is 18%. So let's check out. It comes, each and every fragrance comes with a transparent bottle, comes with this beautiful magnet cap, and let's check out. Wow, I like its smell because I like always floral kind of smell, and its smell is really mild, so floral kind of a smell. If you like me who like mild floral kind of a smell, fruity kind of a smell, you must buy this. Its cost around only $49 and its quantity is 50 ml. So let's check out another fragrance which is Forge Pink Pepper, and same, it comes with a beautiful pink color box. As I earlier said, each and every fragrance comes with same bottle, same packaging. So everything is written on it, and let's check out its composition. It's the same notes. Top notes is pink pepper, lemon, neroli, and the middle notes is orange blossom, lavender and the geranium. Base notes amber, patchouli, cedarwood, and it's inspired by Gucci, and concentration is 12%. So its retail price is $80, but it costs you around only $29. I think one third of the cost of the original brand, and they smell exactly like the luxury brand perfume. And let's check out. Okay, it also smells good, but I personally like the Amber Saffron because I like mild floral kind of a smell. If you like strong smell, you must go for it because I think it's a unisex one. I don't know. The Forge Pink Pepper. So its smell is little bit strong as compared to this one, but I both like this fragrance. So if you want to, you must try this perfume because it costs you only, Dossier has a new payment method that lets you earn store credits. Select catch at the last step of checkout and you earn $10 bonus credit. You earn $10 sign-on bonus credit. Get rewarded with $10 store credit on every order. Get another 10% discount as a welcome offer. So what else you want? You would get another 20% discount. You must try this fragrance because it's highly affordable, smells really amazing, and it's so good. So you must try this beautiful fragrances. I hope you enjoy my today's video. I will see you with my another excited video with you all. So till then, say bye bye. See you all. Love you all.